Hello everybody, this is Robin from GetonAgain. Now I am at GetonAgain factory. Today I want to introduce one machine. Its finished products, I think that all the families should have it. That is for the bus tour. Here, this machine can do the bus tour cross sewing. This automatic sewing machine is designed for the fixed length cutting, edge folding, and sewing of unfinished and non-elastic bus tours. And this machine, we can do two types of products. One is 700 by 1400. Another is 850 millimeters by 1600. This is automatic fabric alignment devices. This is the rear sweeping tours. This is the pressing device ensure the tours. This is the edge folding mechanism. And this is automatic labeling device. In this machine, we adopt a single needle lock stitch. The sewing speed can reach to 3000 RPM. So the efficiency, we can get 7 to 9 pieces of the tour per minute. So this is the automatic sewing machine for the bus tour cross sewing. If you are interested, welcome to our factory. We are located in Tianjin, China.